Zontes 703T Front and Rear Shock Absorber Adjustment Video Guide. Preparation Tools. Flathead Screwdriver. Number 14. Torx Wrench. To adjust the front shock absorber, find the compression damping knob C above the left front shock absorber. Turning clockwise increases compression damping and hardens it. Turning counter-clockwise decreases compression damping and softens it. Find the rebound damping knob 2 above the right front shock absorber. Turning clockwise increases rebound damping and hardens it. Turning counter-clockwise decreases rebound damping and softens it. Use a number 14 Torx wrench to turn the knob clockwise to increase spring preload and harden it. Turn the knob counterclockwise to decrease and soften it. The adjustment methods for left and right shock absorbers are the same. The preload on both sides should be adjusted to the same position. When adjusting with tools, use a non-woven cloth pad under the preload adjustment knob to avoid scratching. The rear shock adjustment. Find the rear shock preload adjustment nut at the rear shock. The spring preload can be adjusted using the hydraulic adjustment knob. Turning the adjuster clockwise increases the spring preload and makes it stiffer. Turning it counterclockwise decreases the spring preload and makes it softer. Below the rear shock, find the rebound damping adjustment knob. Turning it clockwise increases the rebound damping and makes it stiffer. Turning it counterclockwise decreases the rebound damping and makes it softer. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time. Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.